Unleashing your ideas. Brainstorming and outlining for TOEFL and IELTS writing. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of the writing process: brainstorming and outlining ideas. By mastering these skills, you'll set yourself up for success in the TOEFL and IELTS writing sections. Brainstorming is the spontaneous generation of ideas about a specific topic. It's the starting point of the writing process and helps in 1. Unlocking creativity. It helps you think outside the box. 2. Reducing writer's block. By freely listing down ideas, you can ward off the pressure and anxiety that comes with a blank page. How to brainstorm. 1. Free writing. Simply write down whatever comes to your mind without worrying about grammar or coherence. 2. Mind mapping. Start with the main topic in the center of a page and draw branches with associated ideas. 3. Listing. Write down any ideas or points related to the topic in a list format. After brainstorming, it's essential to give structure to your ideas. Outlining helps in 1. Organizing thoughts. Arrange your ideas in a logical order. 2. Identifying gaps. See what points need more information or clarification. 3. Facilitating smooth writing. An outline acts as a roadmap for your essay, ensuring you stay on track. How to create an outline. 1. Identify the main points. From your brainstorming session, pick the main ideas that will form the backbone of your essay. 2. Arrange them logically, depending on the type of essay, argumentative, descriptive, etc. Organize these points. 3. Elaborate with subpoints. For each main point, add details, examples, or arguments that support or explain it. 4. Ensure coherence. Ensure the points flow smoothly from one to the next, with transitions linking them together. 1. Time yourself. When practicing for the TOEFL and IELTS, time yourself to simulate the actual exam conditions. Aim to brainstorm and outline within 5 to 10 minutes. 2. Practice frequently. The more you practice brainstorming and outlining, the quicker and more efficient you'll become. 3. Stay flexible. Your outline isn't set in stone. As you write, you might find better ways to express or organize your ideas. It's okay to adjust. Brainstorming and outlining are more than just preparatory steps. They're the foundation upon which strong writing is built. So, the next time you're faced with a writing task for TOEFL or IELTS, remember to brainstorm and outline first. We hope this video has been enlightening. Happy studying and best of luck in your test preparation.